Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Binance Wallet Money. Connect your wallet to the app, complete identity verification, and secure your account with 2FA. Next, fund your wallet by depositing crypto or fiat using bank transfer or card. Then choose trading, sending, or converting features to move funds. Always review fees and limits before confirming any transaction, and enable notifications to monitor activity and catch issues quickly. Start by checking your wallet balance and supported currencies before making any transfers, and confirm addresses carefully. Use on-chain deposits for external crypto and prefer stablecoins for lower volatility when moving value. For fiat, use the bank transfer or card option and verify processing times. When sending crypto, always confirm the correct network and recipient address to avoid loss. Enable address whitelisting for extra security. Quick recommendation: if you are finding this guide helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel. The Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum cleans smarter with voice control and room mapping, so it saves time for managing your finances and crypto tasks. It learns routines and spot cleans efficiently, making dust disappear while you trade. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Use the convert tool for instant swaps between supported tokens to avoid order book complexity and delays. For margin or futures trading, understand leverage risks and set stop-loss orders to protect capital and limit losses. Check price impact and slippage settings when placing large trades to prevent unfavorable execution and unexpected costs. Monitor market activity and reconcile wallet balances regularly to spot discrepancies and maintain security.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.